Good morning, everybody. As you can see, it is 6:05 in the morning. The sun is just coming up and we are finally taking the EVO to the hills. Alright, we're at our first stop to get food. There's actually a few cars here. This is a really popular place to go driving in Victoria, so you'll always see cars and bikes out. So this is what is here. I don't know McLarens, so I don't know. There you go, 650S. Of course I park next to it. New GT3 RS. No idea what that is. Porsche. Are these Turbo S's or what are they?
Mine one is the red one.
Jada's Golf R. Wowee. This is your Porsche here. E36 M3 944. I'm guessing not a real GT40.
It's very small though.
Oh, it's got a it's like a BA V8, the Boss 302. Escort. Burt Reynolds is here. This is actually the Burt Reynolds. He's inside eating. Fucking sun. Alright, this is where the fun bit starts. A bit with a full tank of fuel. We caught up to a Camry, but he's actually going pretty quick. Hopefully he moves over and lets us pass at some point. This is a really good section. Go Camry! Again, we've got to the twisty section and we're stuck behind fucking cars! Move! It's so frustrating when you want to go fast. Move! Alright, they moved over. Another car! Catching the general public. they came through the windscreen. Up with Colin in the WRX. Jesus Christ. Oh, dirt road, you're fucking kidding me. This car in the hills is a rocket. Jesus. It shits all over the Safiro. Oh, God. What the fuck road has he taken us down here? Come on! Look at this road we're going down. Far out. It's not what I was expecting to be driving down. Ay, ay, ay. Fucking hell. Look at the scenery though. This up when we get the hell out of the Amazon here. So I've actually come to a spot where there's a tree across the road up here. The cars are absolutely destroyed. Fucking hell. Who chose this damn road? There's a tree across the road. Some outback shit. Fuck, imagine that fell on your car.
It must have happened.
Holy shit. Yeah, we'll get past this easy. Do you want to try and... We're not going to be able to lift that. Drag it? You reckon roll it? Oh yeah, get us all and we'll all roll it off the road. Hey! Hey!
What?
Hang on.
I didn't want to go part with those other...
On this one.
I thought it was going to keep going. Let's do one more. To the next road?
You reckon more?
Yeah,
So I thought this dirt road was going to be short, but we've been driving for about 20 minutes now and we're still on this same hunk of shit road. And I've lost everyone. There's no one in front of me, there's no one behind me. I'm just dodging potholes. Fucking hell, man. Oh my god. Alright, I need to concentrate on dodging potholes now. So unfortunately guys, I think that's going to be the end of the spirited driving for me today. When we finally got off that dirt road and I stopped and switched it off, it spit a bit of coolant out of the overflow and full killed my confidence. So I'm a bit paranoid now. I'm just putting around. I don't really want to get stuck up here. We're about 2.5 hours away from where I live. So hopefully, well, I don't know. I reckon radiator cap possibly. So hopefully it just it doesn't get hot and I can just putt it home. Or it was just that dirt road because I was doing like first and second gear the whole time. So it's pretty hot today. Anyway, there's a million things it could be. I just wanted to make it home. I think I'm going to order a radiator for this car anyway. It's one thing I was paranoid about before coming up to the hills. So I think now's a good time to order a decent radiator for this car. Because these are really prone to cracking the tanks at the top because they're plastic, and you can sort of tell when the plastic starts to turn white, it's getting thin, and this top tank on this car is doing that. So yeah, definitely now is the time to buy a radiator. You wouldn't believe it, we came to another fucking dirt road. best smell, burnt rubber. So anyway, we're turning back because we don't want to go down these fucking dirt roads anymore. Car is obviously filthy, so obligatory car wash on the way home. Oh my god, what a long day. I left home at 6 this morning. It is now... That is a long day. And we did 323 kilometers today. Not bad. Car's all clean. That was really doing my head in. I was like stressing on the way home that I'm gonna go home with a dirty car. And this could be the last video for the year. I'm doing something pretty big next weekend. With the VN. So, but that video won't come out this year, it'll come out next year. So stay tuned for that one. It's pretty exciting. But anyway, see you guys next video.